So here I have Specialized S-Works E5 Aerotec. Pretty sure the year is 2005. Got it used and was just doing the maintenance on it. Headset wasn't feeling the best. So here there's this, kind of confused me at first. There's this integrated style headset. And the stock or whatever was put on by someone else. I hope it's not stock because that'd be an 11-year-old headset. It had this deep inner race or cup. So when I tried to pull the bearing out, the bearings flew everywhere, which was fine because I was replacing the bearings anyway. But it left this sleeve thing in there. The bottom still has it in, and I'm gonna show you guys me getting it out. Get some light on there so you can see. So it still has it in there, and I'm going to hit it out just with a normal 1 1/8 head cup remover. So, and then I'm going to replace the bearings with 41 millimeter outer diameter sealed cartridge bearings, which you would normally find in an international standard headset. Now, make sure to get the 41 millimeter and not 41.8. This one's 41.8 and it sits all the way in, or no, 41 millimeter even, and it sits all the way in down to the edges there where it's supposed to. If you put a 41.8 in, it looks to fit, and it fits like that. I'd almost ride that, but it comes over the lip, and it doesn't hit the edges down there. So that'd be kind of sketchy because the force wouldn't be going to where it's meant to go. It would be more expanding the head tube, and you might crack it. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna just show you guys me removing it. So yeah, the Cane Creek headset finder measurement is upper headset fit IS41/28.6. The 41 is the outer diameter, and the 28.6 is your steer tube diameter, which is 1 1/8 if you convert it to inches. Lower headset fit is international standard IS41/30. So same thing on the bottom. 30 is just the crown race diameter, crown race seat diameter. So put this in like normal, just the universal head cup remover by Park. Anyone will work though. Comes out. There it is. So just confused me there because you really shouldn't. I've never had to use a head cup remover on an IS headset. Anyways, mine had a bunch of corrosion here from sweat or water, and make sure to remove all that, clean it up nice, grease that so it doesn't get like that again, and then install your new headset. Anyways, thanks for watching.